Hello, I'm Wave the Swallow. We will learn about proportional art. Proportion in art is the relationship of two or more elements in a composition, and how they compare to one another with respect to size, color, quantity, degree, setting, etc. That is called a ratio, can be used in mathematics as well. Suppose there are two triangles. The second triangle is twice as large as the first triangle. The ratio you obtained is 1 and 2. When two or more elements are put together in a painting, a relationship is created. This relationship is said to be harmonious when a correct or desirable association exists between the elements. Proportion is usually not even noticed until something is out of proportion. When the relative size of two elements being compared seems wrong or out of balance, it is said to be out of proportion. For example, the face with eyes too big, lacking out its proportions. Haha, this is so weird, it'll make you laugh harder. Other example, which are not in proper perspective, which is usually is a trick photography, depending on the frame, or in the movies that is fictional that we can try, like A Big Girl Susan, source taken from Monsters vs. Aliens. To give it a good proportion, place like elements together which are similar in character or have a common feature. Create major and minor areas in the design. Arrangement of space should be in such a way that the eye does not perceive a standard mathematical relationship. And create harmony in the artwork. Then you can a better perspective view once the proportions are perfect. So, you now know how to use proportions depending on its perspectives. Like, comment, and subscribe now.